All right, today's IXL track has to do with finding slope given 2 points, and it's been a while, so let's run through this. Slope is always going to be equal to the change of y over the change of x. And to find the change between two numbers, the difference between two numbers, we will use subtraction. So we will take, I'll label these points. It doesn't matter which one you call point 1 and which one you call point 2, but I'll label this one x1, y1, and I'll label this one x2, y2. So we will subtract y1 from y2, and we will subtract x1 from x2, and we will have 5 over -6. So our slope will be -5, 6.